Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a little something different here. I know that a lot of people likes watching videos on cutting wood and packing up wood, and sometimes I watch some of those videos as well, so I'm just going to be taking you along here on what I'm doing for today. And as you see, it's all limbed and everything, and it's ready to be junked up. I cut it up in about 15-inch chunks. You'll see a measuring tool that I use there. It's got a magnet on it, and you stick it to the bar and you can measure off. So you got pretty much the same length of junk all the time. I really do like it. I made my own now, but originally I got it off of a YouTuber, and I forget who it was now, but it works really well, and it's consistent. The only thing is with the magnet is it's best if you not keep it on there, because if you just cut it with it on, it kind of moves down after a while, vibrations and so on, and then if you don't notice, the chain hits it and it can dull your chain. But I really do enjoy it, and it gives you a consistent cut, like I said. The sawhorse that you see here, I got a review on this thing and I love it, but I will say you're seeing me struggle with this thing a little more than you normally would because I forgot to put oil on the chain last winter, and the chain it's not as flowing, if you will. It don't go through the holders as smoothly, but it usually takes a few times and you're back to normal. So just you might be looking and saying, wow man, that's a lot more effort than it's worth. Not really. You're only lifting up one end of the log at a time, and if you're by yourself, this helps because you don't have to cut it on the ground, and you don't have to worry about dulling your chain with the sand and the dirt and the rock. And so yeah, it really is a good design. Like I said, due to the chain not giving you as much movement at the first few times, then you're going to struggle a little bit. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.
All the kids has grown up. Now I'm doing this myself.